I'm going to start by drawing the shaft of the spade like that, which is going to come down a bit longer, maybe a bit longer. And then we need to split the handle, so it's going to come up like that and up like that on the other side too. My pen just slipped. Never mind. And then we'll go across there like that, and we want to come down about there and then split down to there and down to there, and then we'll go and put that in there, and that will be the handle. And we can put some little, just more than a dot, just tiny lines to give a bit of shade to make that sort of look like the handle curving around. Now the metal part is going to be sort of starting about there, and then we want a slight curve like that, and then this is going to come down and down, and then a bit of a curve at the bottom as well. And then they usually kind of paint it, and then that bit's shiny, so we can put some kind of shiny lines in there. We're going to get a kind of a bit of an angle in there. We're going to want a couple of nails holding the whole thing together, rivets I should say, and then perhaps a logo across there like that. And then all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.